Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Empties video. I love these and the feedback I get from you guys in the comments that do watch this video that you like them too because they're good reviews. And I think, you know, it's important to use the entire thing to see if someone's gonna repurchase it. And I like to know if it's worth purchasing before I spend my hard-earned money on a bunch of beauty products. So let's dive in. No particular order. I'm just gonna pull off the random stuff that I have. I don't have a ton, but I don't know where the lid of this went. It might be my shower still. This is Olaplex number 5 conditioner. It's amazing. If you haven't watched my all about my hair care video, it's always linked in my bio just because I do get a lot of questions about my hair. This is my favorite conditioner. It's amazing. I already repurchased from this for a sale. So yeah, check that out if you are interested. It's a good time to save some money on it. The Olaplex number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. Okay, at the beginning, I hated this mask. I did not think it was worth it. I was like, oh my God, this is so expensive. And I was like, no. But my hairdresser used it on my hair and like when I just got my hair redone, and she was telling me, you're using it the wrong way. It does say leave on for 10 minutes. I was not leaving on for 10 minutes. I just don't, what do you do in the shower for 10 minutes? You like get out and then get back in? That's probably what I'm gonna do. And she also said, so I was not leaving it on for 10 minutes, so my hair did not feel soft afterwards. She also said that I was using too much. I literally maybe got like 3 conditioners out of this, and I was like, what in the world? It's $30. I was like, I'm not spending $10 every time I want to deep condition my hair. She said use it. I was like wringing out my hair and then putting it on dry hair and like expecting it to coat everything. She's like, it is so concentrated that you just need a little bit, and you want to utilize the water that you have in your hair to distribute it throughout. And then it's so important, you need to let it set for at least 10 minutes. And she put it on my hair and I was like, okay, I need it. So I rebought another one. It's really freaking good. Now, I probably will only use this maybe once a month, once every 2 months. It leaves your hair so insanely soft that if you don't use this before you need to like curl your hair or at least look good, which you think you would want to, because it leaves your hair kind of unmanageably soft and silky, which I know, what a bad problem, right? But it is freaking amazing. So I ended up falling in love with it after using the whole bottle, but I will definitely be using the next bottle a whole lot different. This is the Kiehl's Calendula Herbal Extract Free Toner, alcohol free. I got this when I worked for Sephora. I love the face wash, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna love the toner. I didn't, honestly. So hear me out. It has like bits of stuff in it, like the calendula flower, I believe. And I felt like it got on my cotton round and then it just got smushed into my face. And I also didn't know if I still had gunk on my face because this is brown colored. So I don't know. Everyone raves about it. People love it. I just didn't think that I liked it that much. So I would pass on that. I would not repurchase it. But from the Calendula line, I do love the face wash. I finished up a giant Benefit Professional. This is my favorite primer. I know I feel like so dated when I say that because I feel like Benefit's Professional Primer used to be like the rage like 10 years ago, but I still use it and I love it. I feel like it's the only thing that makes my makeup go on smooth, look poreless, look smooth, and stay on all day. I continue to repurchase it. I think Sephora was having like buy one, get one, or they were 50% off, or buy one, get one 50% off. I don't remember what it was, but I already stocked up on it because can't be without it. I love it. But I will typically buy the large one because it's the best value, but they had only like the small ones on sale. Okay, this is like my newest obsession, you guys. This, I literally don't, I mean, I can get to this, but I can't get the like stopper off to get it off. Nonetheless, I literally scraped this container clean. This is the Too Faced Hangover RX Pillow Balm. It's my favorite lip gloss balm combo I've ever used in my entire life. This was the Banana Kiss flavor. I just picked up the Watermelon Kiss one, but I would pick this one up again. That one's like a pinky glow, which I love, but these consistency, hydration, and like healing of my lips is, oh my God, I don't know what I've done this without my whole life, because it's amazing. I highly recommend it. You need that, you really do. This is a product I feel like I've talked about before. It's my favorite exfoliator ever, like physical exfoliator. This is the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator. This stuff like feels like you're sandblasting your face. Like layers will come off. It's very easy to get carried away with this because it's not a sugar scrub. It's an actual physical, like, I don't know what it uses, honestly. It says avoid the eyes, that's for sure. It's a creamy exfoliator, but it's like so powerful. Like it's intense. So you can't get carried away with it. But it is like if you need to like erase your life, if you have dry skin or you just need to like get rid of all the gunk, you got a lot of buildup, you got a lot of dead skin, that is it. I'm telling you, it's so expensive. It's the one thing that like when I left Sephora, I like purchased backups. I'm currently using the Tula one, which I love. I love that one. I think it's much more like gentle, but still abrasive, if that makes sense. It like melts away because it's sugar, but at first it feels just like that one. I was blown away by its similarities. So that one is next level. If you're trying to, you know, get a new face, get that guy. I love it. This is a dry shampoo that I tried, I want to say like, I don't know, I picked up like a couple months ago from Target. It's $5. It's the Collab dry shampoo. I got the original formula. I love this stuff. This isn't like haven't washed your hair for like 5 days dry shampoo. This is like second, third day. Like light, I need to remove oil, but I'm not like the greasiest girl in the world. I liked this stuff. It was awesome. Didn't leave a ton of buildup on my scalp. Yeah, it's good stuff. $5. I already picked up another scent of this because I'm just trying to see if the scents differ like in the formula. So far, no, but I do like the other scent that I grabbed better. So happy that I picked that up and happy that that is now in my life because it is affordable. Okay, Scott uses this for his face. It's the Nivea Sensitive Shave Gel, and I was like, I've never been a shaving cream girl. Like I've never used shaving cream really to shave my legs. Besides like I did in college, but I never consistently, I would use like conditioner or body wash. I don't know. I just never really cared that much. But one day I was like, you know, I'm gonna try it. And I used up the entire container. I already bought him another one. I really like this, y'all. I just like it. It's sensitive, so it doesn't like give me bumps or anything like that. And it was like $3-4 bucks. It's good, it's good, it's good. So it didn't dry out my skin, which I feel like a lot of shave creams, like because they have so much alcohol and like fragrance in them, can dry out my skin, and this one didn't. So highly recommend. I don't know, if you're looking for a shave cream, try that one out. And it's husband's approved as well, so you can share it. So those are all of the products that I used up in the month of October. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you do, please let me know. It helps me by leaving a comment or giving my video a thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, you guys.